So earning money in Gcash while playing game is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to show you how to earn money while playing games on Gcash. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm here on Gcash website and they have a G guide for telling us how we can earn money. So which is pretty easy thing to do. You guys can earn money on Gcash by playing two types of game. There are two types of game. The first one is M games and the second one is GOA games. And both of the games have different policies. For example, GOA must required you to initial cash out per tournament and it should be P15 per tournament for 7 days, while M games requires you to buy token worth P15 each for you to complete for selection of games. After doing that, now let me tell you the type of games. Now there are three type of M games. The first one is Bubble Woods, Element Blocks and Feeder Speed. You guys can download it from Google Store. And now after that there are GOA games. Now there are three types of games. The first one is Ramadan Run, the second one is Heart Attack, and the last one is Rock Music. These are the games that you can download and play. You can simply download it from the Play Store and play to earn money on Gcash. So that's pretty much it. That's how we do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.